So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the screenshot in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So let's get started. To take the screenshot in this device, the first method, tap on volume down button and the lock button at the same time. Now you can see the screenshot is captured. This is the first method, tap on volume down button and the lock button at the same time. The screenshot will capture. So the next method, at the bottom right side you can see one menu. This is accessibility menu. You can take a screenshot using accessibility menu. If you tap on it, then go to the next page. So here you can see the option to take a screenshot. Just tap on it. You can see the screenshot is captured. To enable the accessibility menu, first go to your settings, then scroll down, tap on accessibility. Then here you can see the option installed services. Tap on it. So here you can see the option accessibility menu. If we tap on it, now we need to turn on this option, then only we can take a screenshot using this accessibility menu. Okay, the next method, so here you can see 4 dot, this is assistant menu. If we tap on it, so here you can see the option to take a screenshot. Just you can see one option screenshot. Just tap on it, you can see the screenshot is captured. To enable this assistant menu, first go to settings, again go to the accessibility, then here you can see the option interaction and dexterity. Just tap on it. So here you can see the option assistant menu. Turn on this option, then only we can take a screenshot using the assistant menu. So the next method, you can take a partial screenshot in this device. To take the partial screenshot, you have to enable the edge panel here. You can see now, you can see at the right side just one line. This is assistant menu. If we tap on it, then go to the next page of this edge panel. So here you can see 3 options, rectangle, oval. So if you want to take a screenshot of circle shape or oval shape, then you have to select the option oval. So if you want to take a screenshot of rectangle or square, then you have to select the option rectangle. So here I am going to select the option rectangle. So if you want to take a screenshot of this picture, then adjust this square and then tap on done. So here you can see 3 options. Then tap on download button to save this image. You can say saving image to gallery. So simply in this way you can take a partial screenshot in this device. To enable the partial screenshot, go to settings, then tap on display. So here you can see the option edge panel. Then on this option, then tap on edge panel. So in this page you can see the option panels. Just tap on it. So here you can see some options. Here I added 2 options, and in these 2 options you can see 2 options, rectangle and oval shape. You can take a partial screenshot using this one. You can take a partial screenshot of this one. Just go to the edge panel and tap on, if you want to take a circle shape, then tap on oval. Then just adjust or resize this one. Okay, after that tap on done, then tap on download button. You can see saving image to gallery. So if you want to take a long screenshot, you have to take a screenshot using any 3 methods. So here I am going to select the option volume down and the lock button. So at the bottom side you can see one arrow button. Just tap on it. Now you can see the screen is scrolling. If you want to take a more, then again tap on this arrow button. You can see the screen is scrolling. After that tap on the image. Now you can see the screenshot is here. Long screenshot. If you zoom in, now you can see it is very clear like a phone. So simply in these ways you can take a screenshot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.